Gavin.
Ooh.
Gavin, what do you think English feeds?
Gross.
Any other thoughts? Gavin, any other thoughts? Gavin, what do you think about English feeds?
I'm trying another bite.
Yeah, this is food, buddy. It's not trash. This is real food.
Maybe you'll go out to like peas.